Good morning, everyone. I went to my Michael's yesterday and I found one more grab box. So I had bought 4 about 2 weeks ago, and then I went back and I bought the last 2 that I saw. And I was in there looking for a couple of things yesterday and came upon one more. So let's see what's in it. You gotta watch this. I had a lot of really fun things in the last one, so I'm hoping this is the same. All right. A Mickey Mouse cake pan, pretty cool. I got one of those in one of the boxes. Oh. A Wilton Countless Celebrations cake pan set. I think I got 1 or 2 of those in one of the last boxes. Thanksgiving cookie cutters. These will be great with my granddaughters with their Play-Doh and things. A 3D puzzle kit. That's pretty cool looking. And this one doesn't have a tag on it. Smartivity Campers Surfer. It's a school bus kit. And this is regularly $20 and it was $10. I'm seeing duct tape. A picture projector, which I know I had a couple of those. This is regularly $31.99 and it was marked down to $20. Parachute cord. I'm sure I can find something to do with this. I think I got one more in one of the other boxes as well. I think this is $19.99. Can't tell for sure. And it was marked down to $5. More jewels, more jewels. The girls will have fun with these. These are $10, marked down to $5. And this box was pretty heavy. I can now see why. Wedding banner, $15.99, marked down to $10. Duct tape, duct tape, duct tape. We have pink flamingos. We have pink and black polka dot. More pink and black polka dot. Ooh, that one's kind of... Oh, wow. Okay. Like a glittery purple. That's kind of neat. And this is really pretty. This is a pink background. It looks like it's fall leaves and stuff. And these are all $6.97 and marked down to $5. Oh, one more. I can't figure out what the... Oh, this looks like bacon. All right, this box was heavy, so I was wondering why. I got a bunch of these in one of my boxes. So this is that decorative vase filler and stuff. Just says $6.99. I don't see a tag on these two. Let me see if maybe there's any more. $6.99. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, eucalyptus. Green eucalyptus, and these are regularly $9.99. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ew, one looks like it's seen better days. Yeah, I'll probably throw that one away. Oh, and 3 more vase fillers. Oh, these are some pretty nice colors. That's cool. Well, for $5, that's a pretty darn good haul. So I will bet you just between the projector and the Smartivity set, between this and that's $32, $52. Not seeing tags on everything. So between just the sale prices on these regular items, I think those say 10. So that's $40 because there were, oh sorry, 3 of those. Wow. Well, I'm pretty pleased. Some of the other boxes had a lot of really cool stuff in it. This kind of looks like a little bit of leftover. But hey, I'm pretty pleased. So check out your Michaels. Call the store and find out when they bring out their grab boxes. Generally, it is once a week, possibly. Probably Mondays or Tuesdays. They'll be marked like this, or they'll be in a bag. See how this says grab bag? They used to come in bags, and they may still do depending on what they have. But they are used to be $4, and now they're $5. And they'll be at the front of the store, stacked up probably somewhere around the register or just the front section of the store. So check it out, see what else you can come up with. Zip tie it, pull your loop up.